What's up guys, I'm back with a brand new video. It's time to show you the first look at the Galaxy J4 Core. Looking at the back of the device, we have a glossy plastic feeling and it feels so good, slim and easy grip. At the front of the device, you have a 6-inch HD Plus with this device. Introducing Android Go. Lightweight version of Android 8.1 Oreo means that we have more storage, better performance, easy data management and reliable security. As you can see, we have few applications that come with this device. Going to the settings of the device, we're checking out the system information. About the device, we're looking at 8.1.0 on this device. In terms of RAM and storage, we have 1 GB of RAM, 16 GB of internal storage. Looking at the side of the device, we have the speaker and the power button. On the left side of the device, we have volume locker up and down. As you can see, twin SIM card with a memory card, 3.5mm jack and USB 2.0. At the back of the device, we have LED flash, 8 megapixel. Front is 5 megapixel with f2.2. Lastly, we have 3300 milliamperes and one of the most popular mid-tier processor, Snapdragon 425, clocking speed at 1.4 GHz quad processor. If you are new to this channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you out in the next one. Peace.